Hey everyone, thank you so much for being here today. My name is Denise. I'm also known as Hey Wig Sister on Instagram and Facebook. Today I'm here to bring you a budget-friendly synthetic wig review. This is a wig by Sapphire Wigs on Amazon. Look at this beautiful piece. I've reviewed for Sapphire Wigs before. I've shown you some of their budget-friendly headband wigs, which I love and wear all the time. I also showed a full blonde wig, a full wig that was super long, and now I'm going to show you this one. I still have the lace uncut on it and everything. So if you want to know more about this piece by Sapphire Wigs, again, they're an Amazon retailer. This retails right now as I film this for $44.99 on Amazon. Then stick around, I'll tell you all about it. Alright guys, I'd like to thank Sapphire Wigs for sending me this piece so I could show all of you guys. I'm so committed to bringing you guys every kind of wig I can get my hands on so that you have great choices and you can make informed purchasing decisions. And I know budget-friendly wigs are super important, and I'm really grateful to Sapphire Wigs for partnering with me so that I don't have to spend all of my money purchasing wigs just to review. And this one is beautiful. Let me put it on for you guys. Now, I'm just going to stick the little, well, I'll show you the cap while it's off. How about if I do that? So, this wig is a heat-friendly synthetic, and it has a full lace front and a good amount of parting space on the top. All of this is parting space. Then you've got combs by where the ear tabs are. It doesn't really have ear tabs per se, but it has combs there. There's a comb in the back, and it has hook adjusters and extended nape, and all of this is closed wefted. So let me throw it on for you guys, and you can see what it looks like. I didn't want to cut the lace before showing you guys because I want you to know what to expect if you purchase a wig like this. I know I have a lot of new wig wearers who follow me who are totally new on the wig wearing journey, and you need to know everything, and that's what I'm here for. I'm here to help you learn so that you can be a successful and happy wig wearer. Okay, you guys, look at this piece. Wow. It's so pretty. So the fibers are very soft and silky. This is a lot of hair. I would consider this a pretty heavy density piece. All right, let's look at it from all sides. Now, keep in mind, this gets cut. You have to cut that. I've had people ask me before when they've seen me show a wig with uncut lace, well, that's too obvious. How would you ever wear that? Well, you cut the lace off, and I'll talk about that in a little bit. Let's take a look at this from all sides. It's really pretty. So this is in the color brown. This wig has, I can't quite see all of the options on my computer screen, but it has a number of different options. This one is called brown. And it's kind of, I don't know if they aptly named it. It's sort of a light brown. It's got a lot of dynamic like highlighting to it, and then it has a darker root right there. But now this here, once you cut the lace off, then it just looks like it's growing out of your scalp. Now this looks like it's fairly pre-plucked. It's not a super heavy density hairline. You can see the knotting a little bit, as you can see. How you deal with visible knotting is just use some translucent face powder, some foundation. They do sell products that are actually made to hide knotting on wigs, but concealer, face powder. Me personally, I have some loose face powder that's a bit too light for my skin tone, and I save that and I use that when I can see visible knotting to help make part lines look a little bit more realistic. So if you're looking at budget-friendly wigs like this, there will likely be some concessions that you have to make it wearable for you. One of those things is probably hiding some knots unless you get a blonde without any rooting. Now you've got all of this space right here for parting. So on the top it's not a wide parting space. It's best for a center part or just off center. You're not going to get a real deep part out of this one, but you can go off center. Like I said, this wig is a fairly heavy density. This has quite a lot of hair. And I think if I pull it back in a ponytail, you'll be able to see what I mean. Look at kind of how thick that ponytail is. It's a really thick ponytail. But one of the really great things about a wig like this, updos. I think you could do a ton of fun styling with this piece. If you are looking for hair that you can style, maybe you have a wedding coming up or a really fancy event, you could take a wig like this, cut the lace, get it looking the way you want, and then you could take a bunch of clips and you can clip pieces up. Now you can see the lace goes all the way down to the ear. It actually goes over my ear a little bit. So when I cut this, I would cut all the way down and then I would cut around right here. Depending on how it fits you, you may end up cutting off just a little bit of the hair here. If it's really sitting over your ear, that's okay. The purpose of lace like this is you can cut it to match your own hairline and head shape to make it work for you. And what's great about that is if you want to do some styling, you know, pull it up in an updo, put it up in some clips. If you take adhesive like It Stays, Ebin Spray, Got To Be spray or gel, you can glue this down with those things so that it lays completely flat on your head and doesn't move. And then you can pull hair up and look at how natural that hairline looks. You can see a little bit of my hair through it because I think I need to pull it down a little bit more, but how fun is that? The styling you could do half up, half down. You could do a fun top knot. You could do just a ponytail. You could do, what I love to do with long wigs like this is I love to do, I'm just kind of doing it messy right now, but I love to do little twists, and then I stick a claw clip in the back and I let the curls spill over. That would be super fun to do with this. Just so much potential with this one. If you're new to wig wearing and you've been losing your hair for a long time, this one's going to be a lot of hair for you. I do want to caution you, but if you like a full head of hair, you're just looking for something fun, something different, this could be a great piece to try. It's also, since it's budget friendly, it could be one that you practice with. You could practice thinning a wig. I actually have a video where I showed you how I thinned one of their headband wigs. You could use that same technique with this if it was too much hair for you. You could trim the length off a little bit if it was too long for you. So many awesome things that you can do with this. So, again, you're going to take and cut the lace and then make it your own. So if you're looking for a thick, full, wavy, well, this is curly, not wavy piece, I think this could be a great one to check out. So Sapphire Wigs, I will link it in the description so that you can go straight to the product page on Amazon. This is in the color brown. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Thank you so much, Sapphire Wigs, for sending this to me. I will probably do a video where I show you how to cut lace on wigs like this. So if you're new to that, stay tuned for that so I can give you guys that education. But I didn't want to cut the lace on this one yet because I'm not sure if I'm going to pass this on to a wig sister or not. And it's nice if you can cut your own lace and match your own hairline. Thanks for watching, everyone. Everyone, I have not cut the lace on this one yet, as you can see, but I wanted to get the outside look filmed. We've had just awful weather. It's been hard for me to get outside, so today I can get outside, and so I wanted to take advantage. There's that rooting. This is kind of an, I don't know if you'd call that an ombre effect. Lighter here at the end. Beautiful color. They've done a great job with this color. One more up close. All right, everyone. Hope that helped you.
you.